Hey you all, it is Monday. Happy Memorial Day. And I got Dulce a treat. I got her a vanilla frosty, and I'm just going to put just a little in the bowl, like 2 tablespoons worth probably. Right there. And that's her treat. I'm going to give this to her and then put the rest in the freezer. And I'm going to show you. Mama, this is your frosty. That's your treat, Mama. Good girl. Good girl, Mama. And I'm going to put the rest in the freezer. Alright, you all. I'm back with a mukbang from McDonald's. Happy Memorial Day, everyone. And I thank everyone so much. If you're a veteran and you served our country or are serving it now, I appreciate that. So here I got some fries, nuggets, and a Big Mac plain, and then my 2 sauces and napkins. Dulce, you can't have any more, Mama. So let's jump right in. See? It's plain. I don't put anything on it. Maybe some honey mustard would be good on it. Yum, yum, yum. Let's try it out. Now barbecue. It's yummy. And I got me a chocolate frosty for when I'm done. Maybe I'll add a little ketchup. There we go. Yum, yum, yum. Mama. So good. Hey everyone, we're at Applebee's for dinner and we got, this is the appetizer, we got boneless wings and we got the sauce on the side because we didn't know how it would taste. So this is our appetizer and I got a Pepsi, Mom got lemon water, and she got double crunch shrimp and I got chicken tenders. Here's dinner. These shrimp are big.